Pinkfong. Hoi, hoi. Hoi, hoi. Subscribe. Tap, doo-doo, tap, doo. Tap, doo-doo, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 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 yeah. I've got the rhythm in my head.
Hi everybody, my name is Jamie Selka and I'm the director, choreographer, and writer of Baby Shark Live.
And my name is Benjamin Rowan and I'm the associate director, choreographer, music director of the show. And today we're going to teach you a dance from the show. It's called I've Got the Rhythm.
I've got the rhythm in my head. I've got the rhythm in my shoulders. I've got the rhythm in my hands. I've got the rhythm all over.
First we're going to take our head and we're going to nod it just like this.
Whoa.
Or you can shake it this way.
Whoa.
Whoa, everybody's looking good. Keep it going. Woo, don't get too dizzy.
Good job, everybody. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to take our shoulders and we're going to shake them just like this from side to side. Good
Wow.
job, everybody. Those shoulders are looking great. Woo!
Next, we're going to clap our hands just like this. And if you want, you can take your feet and march it out. Great job.
Great job, everybody. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to take our whole body and we're going to shake it all over the place.
Oh, I love this
Whoa! Woo! Don't get too dizzy.
Whoa, I won't get too dizzy.
Let's put it all together.
All together. So we're going to start with our head. We're going to nod our head.
And then we're going to shake our shoulders. Wow.
And then we're going to clap our hands.
And finally, we're going to shake our body all over the place.
Woo!
Woo! Hey, looking good, everybody.
I think we should put some music to this. First, we're going to start with our head. And nod your head.
Whoa! Now shake your shoulders. Nice job, everybody.
Clap your hands. Well done.
Now shake your body all over the place. Whoa! Hey, Jamie, I think we should do this even faster.
Faster. All right, everybody, you can do it. Here we go. Nod your head. Woo!
Now shake your shoulders. Hey, nice job.
Clap your hands. Looking good.
Now shake your body all over the place.
Woo! Great job, everybody. You just learned a dance from
Baby Shark Live. Thanks for joining us today.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
I've got the rhythm in my head. I've got the rhythm in my shoulders. I've got the rhythm in my hands. I've got the rhythm all over. Hey guys, did you like our video? Don't forget to click subscribe. Search for Pinkfong on YouTube.